Hello, I am Ravikant Rao from Mumbai. I did my schooling and junior college from Atomic Energy Central Schools in Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. After that, I started doing my graduation from VES Institute of Technology, which is affiliated to Mumbai University. Post my graduation in 2010, I joined Deloitte Consulting as a part of the technology practice in the SAP service line. During my stint as a business technology analyst at Deloitte, my regular responsibilities consisted of interacting with the clients, understanding the problems of the client, drafting an initial solution, pitching it, and then finally, after it is approved, implementing it on the client's interface. I worked on several industries ranging from CNIP, TMT, oil and gas to utilities and healthcare. I also completed my Deloitte Industry Proficiency Level 1 certificate in the consumer and industrial products industry. Apart from the regular client service, I was also involved in a lot of firm activities. This instilled in me a habit of proactively taking up initiatives and driving them to completion. After 3 years in technology consulting, I decided to pursue my MBA from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, NITI. Here at NITI, I also hold a position in the consulting club. I did my internship with Thomson Reuters in the corporate strategy division. Here, my work involved interacting with various teams including content, sales and marketing, customer service and professional services to formulate a strategy for the indirect tax products in India. This was a market entry into an industry which was completely new and unexplored. This helped me imbibe the ability to work in an unexplored and an uncertain environment. I also completed projects with Amazon, Reckitt Benckiser and Nivea in the supply chain and operations departments at the ground level. On a very personal front, I am very enthusiastic about solving the Rubik's Cube. I have participated in several national events and won awards for the same. I ranked among the top 100 in the country with my fastest time being 22.75 seconds. Being with Deloitte has instilled in me a very good culture of learning and developing myself. Also, using the gathered information and delivering your best. With my past experiences in the industry and consulting, coupled with my strong analytical skills and ability to work in teams and lead the team, will surely go a long way in making me a successful consultant in strategy and operations. Interacting with some of the marvelous business consultants all around the globe and networking with people from varied backgrounds will surely give an impetus to my personal and professional growth.